My name is Gretchen Culver, and I've been planning weddings for about 7 years now. I actually got into the wedding planning business through a catering company in St. Paul, so I would plan weddings at their venue, and I just had a lot of fun with that, and it was really great being so hands-on and involved because the reception is, one of the bigger parts of the day, a lot of intricate details and that sort of thing, and coordinating vendors. So that's how I got my start, and then have kind of moved on from there. I think that my unique talents as a planner really come down into the overall design, aesthetic of the wedding, as well as my ability to calm and make a very stressful day not stressful. And like I said, I really like to, I'm always advocating for the client. It doesn't matter. I get it done. If something's not going right, it's my job to make sure that we get the situation rectified and the client gets exactly what they deserve. I'm a no-nonsense planner. You don't get all the over-the-top frill and pink and glitter. I will be out there digging in trenches in the mud if it's raining around your tent, or shoveling snow to get you from your limo to your reception site. I'm really hands-on, and I think a lot of planners don't go that far. Well, first you want to sit down and meet with a couple. It's really just good to listen to what they have to say. I usually ask them a few questions to maybe get them started, but they tend to usually talk about their day the way they've envisioned it. So the best thing to do right away is just to listen and kind of take it in. And a lot of times couples have really great ideas, but they may not go together, or they may not be feasible for their budget or their venue or their time of year even. So really, after listening and taking in all of their information and their thoughts and wishes and desires, then it's kind of my turn to translate that into an actual event that's going to work for them and keep it very personal and intimate that way, but also realistic, and that's why they hired me, because I have the expertise to do that. And I always try and get something out of them that's really personal. Listening to their engagement story, or how they met, or even getting some fun childhood stories from their parents. As you develop this relationship with this client, you get to know them better and better. And so oftentimes I like listening to those stories and then trying to pull something from there. You don't want to create the same wedding over and over again. That would be boring. So finding ways to make it personal is a fun challenge for me as a planner as well.